Welcome again to this video, and today we are going to look at SUMIFS function. In the previous tutorial I made a video on SUMIF and I explained the difference between SUMIF and SUMIFS. Now today we want to look at SUMIFS function. Now before I show you in a practical way, I would like to explain as to what SUMIFS function is. It's a pre-made function in Excel which calculates the sum range based on one or more true or false condition. So that is the explanation. That is the explanation of SUMIFS function. And now here I have this practical here, and I have a table down here. Now the question is find the sum of total stats for water type 1 generation Pokemon. The conditions are the type is water, that is the condition, and also we have another condition here, and that is generation 1. Now let's find the total here. We want to find the total of these water and generation 1. Now what I'm going to do is I will start with an equal sign, then type the command, and my function here gonna be SUMIF. So I will double click on this command here, SUMIFS, like that. So we have arguments inside here, and the first argument is our sum range. So this is the range. You have to select that range like that. Then we are supposed to enter comma before we proceed to another argument. And here we are told criteria range 1. Now criteria range 1, it is this column here, because when you look at water, what is amongst these type here, and that is the range. Now what I'm going to do, just select like that. Okay, now we are moving on to the next argument, and that is criteria 1 here. And the criteria we are looking for, the first criteria is water, and because it's a string we must type it between the quotation marks, and I'm going to type here, then a comma. Then we are moving on to the second range, because we are told criteria range 2. Now this generation 1 2 3 is in this range here. We're going to select this range, then we have a comma, and now we have also this one. They wanted criteria 2, and the criteria here was generation, and of course this number 1 here, generation 1, was our criteria. Now we need to make sure we have 1 like that, then hit enter. Now as you can see, we have the result already. We have gotten the total sum of generation 1 and water. Guys, if you have liked this video, please consider subscribing for more